Hey guys, and welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
This is the final video in the Lululemon build series. You can check the link in the description below to check out all of the videos that we've done so far. This week's video, though, we're making some nesting tables. They could be used as dining tables,
coffee tables, side tables,
anything.
Let's get started.
Just to make things a little easier to handle, we cut a rough measurement with the track saw and then moved inside to the table saw. The bigger table of the two tables is 3 by 5 and we are going to start cutting and gluing those up first. Each table is going to be 2 layers thick, so we added some screws up through the bottom to give some extra strength and so they won't be visible in the final product. Then we cut out the smaller tables, which were 2 by 4, and glued those up right on top of the others and clamped them down. After the glue was dry, we painted just the tops white and then cut to final dimension.
So it'll be 24 square.
How do you feel about it being our last epoxy day?
Thank the Lord, because it is very messy.
We used a 2-part epoxy and each part is the same amount. We measured them separately and then poured them together, mixing for about 5 minutes. We did 2 coats of epoxy. The first one is just a fill coat to get into all the holes. On this coat we also sealed all the edges. After about 4 hours, we came back and did a flow coat using the same measurements as before. We spread it out pretty evenly and let it run off the edges. This epoxy is also self-leveling, so that helps out a ton. After a couple of days, we sanded it to make it more matte. While Dylan was spraying finish, I unboxed our legs.
So we just got our legs for the nesting tables in the mail, and we chose these Hairpin Legs from DIY Hairpin Legs. They came out super cool. We will leave links for them in the description below. We're loading up the last few things to go to Lululemon, and that wraps up this job.
The last build is in the store and they look so good. We are so happy with the results of everything from this project. If you want to check out all the other stuff we did for the store, there will be links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed and we will see you in the next one.